Welcome back to Kids in the Kitchen.
Today we are going to prepare veggie fried rice
and cheese wontons.
First, we're going to start off by cutting the vegetables for fried rice. Now we're going to put the sesame oil. And we'll add the light green part of the onion and then the rest of the veggies. The dark green part of the onion will be last. After sauteing all the vegetables, we can put the rest of the vegetables in. And now we're going to add the soy sauce. Let's prepare the cheese to make the wonton.
To fry the wontons.
Now we have finished the veggie fried rice
And the wontons.
And now it is time to pray. Dear Lord, thank you for this day. and help this food to teach people how to eat healthy. Amen.
I'm going to read Daniel 1, 12, and 15. And it says, "Please test your servants for 10 days and let them give us vegetables to eat and water to drink."
That's God's diet for us.
And verse 15 says, "And at the end of 10 days, their features appeared better and fatter in flesh than all the young men who ate the portion of the king's meal."